Today we've got a 1968 Camaro SS 396, and it was born in SS 396. We have this old photo of the car with its original paint still on it. There's the 396 emblems, the SS emblems, always a blue car, Lemans Blue, top and bottom, nicely restored, real SS big block car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all with price tags and descriptions and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so it's restored very nicely. Has the SS hood on it. This is all straight, shiny, painted blue, looking really sharp. The ice cube trays, people call them, they look like they're new. All very nice, all clean, all real nice fender. Lemans Blue. Down here, not really bubbles, but there's a few little bumps. There might have been some minor filler down there. The car is all intact in that picture and looks solid. Doors, real nice. No vinyl top, never had one. Sail panels are all nice and clean. All the way down to the bottom is nice and clean. The trunk, the spoiler, all that's looking really good. The metal flake is laid out evenly. All the way down to the bottom here is nice and clean. All looking really good. Lines up nice. Now I'm really fussy, so we get paint jobs that are, $30,000, $40,000 paint jobs. They're absolutely like glass. This is a very nice paint job. It's probably equivalent to most modern cars, newer vehicles, but there's a little texture here and there, minor imperfections. Up on the top, there's some fish eyes. They're not a bubble, it's a little concave little dots. There might have been something floating in the air when they painted it, but stand by the car, it's beautiful. The windshield's new, the trim around the windshield, the wiper arms are shiny, the emblem is sparkling. The whole grille, the emblem, all the trim, the bumper looks very good. Has a spoiler down on the bottom. Sparkling emblems here. Door handles are 7 out of 10. They're shiny and straight. I'm sure they're replaced. They even replaced the rear window on this car. It's crystal clear. Moldings are shiny and fit real nice. Redline tires, they're radials. Up front, they're actually 14s with the painted rim and the poverty caps, which are reproduction, and back is 15s with some new BF Goodrich. They're all 4 radial redline tires on the car. It's an SS, so it has the blacked out panel. It looks like the tail lights, the gas cap, the bumper. Looks like all the trim, chrome and moldings were replaced when they restored the car. Marker lights are replaced. It's beautiful. So why don't we open it up, see how the inside looks, and see how that big block looks under the hood. All right, see how the trunk looks. I rate peaked, it looks pretty good. So under the trunk lid's painted nicely, stickers were replaced, the weather strip is replaced, the jam is painted slick. Look at that, we've got a redline tire for a spare on a blue painted wheel, has the jack assembly. So it's nice that it's complete. You'll never use that spare or that jack, but it's complete. The trunk is all solid metal with a very nice spatter finish. Looks like it might even be clear coated. New marker lights, tail light housings look new. The rubber mat was replaced and it fits in there very nicely. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. Yeah, it's a great looking car. It's one of the more affordable Camaros we have. Door jambs look nice. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, door handles, lock knobs. They all look like they're new. The knobs, vents look like they've been replaced. The dash pad is replaced. The instruments look to be in really nice shape. Here's an old vintage tachometer mounted onto the column. This trim here is a little tarnished. This all looks to be good original. Has the AM radio still in place. This is all good. These are new. Kick panels look new. Carpet looks new and it fits very nicely. Original center console with the staple shifter. Original, so there's a little patina. Original seat belts, front and back. The seats have been rebuilt. They're nice and firm and reupholstered. Backs of the seat look good. Carpet looks good. The light works in the console. Again, original seat belts. The seats reupholstered. Side panels, window cranks, that's all been replaced. The rear trim looks like it's been spray painted, and it's all there, and the shelf looks good. Headliner looks like it's been replaced, has a few wrinkles in it, but overall very good. Light works. Visors are original but look good. The mirror looks new. SS steering wheel's been replaced, and I didn't even realize it was on a tilt column. So yeah, very nice interior with a few original qualities, but overall very good. Got new buttons in the doors for the interior lights, new headlight dimmer switch on the floor. So it is dressed up like a 396, 375 horsepower. It's actually a 454 engine. Has the GM aluminum intake. It has the big port heads. The engine is all dressed up to look stock. Valve covers, air cleaner. The fuel line going up to a dual feed Holley carb. Distributor all looks fresh, even has date-coded reproduction spark plug wires. Has the big block heater hose comes out over here. That's correct. This is all nice, clean, painted. Reproduction battery cables. This here is an overflow bottle for the radiator, which is an upgraded aluminum radiator painted black. It has a stock shroud, clutch fan, GM heater hoses, reproduction hose clamps. Looks like the wiring harness has been replaced. Whatever that is, replaced. The washer bottle's replaced. Alternator looks brand new. The couplers on the steering box look new. The brake lines, master cylinder, cadmium plated power brake booster, all looks fresh. Hinges are clean. Wiper motor's clean. The original tag is still on the firewall. Under the hood has the insulation. Overall, very nice, clean, tidy, big block engine compartment. Michael's going to demonstrate how it runs, and we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Everybody, this is a pretty hot little car right here. Built 454 under the hood. Man, this thing sounds fantastic at idle. Really stout exhaust, and yeah, just really exciting from the second you turn the key. Turbo 400 automatic transmission. These seats have been not only recovered, but they're restuffed also. Real nice and firm, great feeling. Our shop and detail went over this car top to bottom. It is absolutely spotless. In total, between the two, we spent about $3,700. Large chunk of that was putting on 4 new, brand new tires on it. So you're good in that department for a while. And yeah, good brake pedal here. Just everything about it. Started right up. And yeah, let's see what she's got. There you go. Just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problems. Stretch your legs a little bit. Holy cow, yeah. When I say built, I mean it. This thing, I don't know what it's got going on internally. I haven't studied the car that much, but she's feeling good. Nice and quick, absolutely tight. See how she goes down the road. Slight, tiny little pull to the right, but it may have just been our road, but pretty good overall. Fantastic car. Suspension's all been redone. you know, to like kind of stock looking standards, but it's all fresh. Definitely check out the pictures of the undercarriage on this one. Other than that, contact our sales department, come out here and drive it. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about as far as this engine goes. And check out all the details on volocars.com.
So I didn't mention, this is a body off the frame restoration. These have a subframe up front. It was all removed, cleaned, painted, new bushings put back in. The front end steering and suspension was all rebuilt. The rear suspension looks like it's been rebuilt. The springs, the shocks look clean. Also has added traction bars, old vintage style traction bars back there. Nice dual exhaust system with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out the back. It does have disc brakes in front, drum and back. Everything looks to be nice and clean. The e-brake is all hooked up. Fuel system looks like it's nice and clean. Tank was probably replaced. Well, it was. You look up at the motor, clean Chevy orange, oil pan, correct starter. Turbo 400 automatic trans, it's a heavy duty trans, 12-bolt rear end in the back, the floors look solid. So overall, a very clean car. Again, it's an affordable, one of our least expensive Camaros. It's a genuine big block, it's blue, it's frame off restored, so it's not a 10, but it's a very nice car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Camaro delivered to your driveway, and how to get it financed if you need help with that too. Thanks for watching.